One day, the elephant was walking near a forest with great, big, thumping steps. When he came to a beautiful waterfall splashing down from the mountaintop spring. The elephant splashed and played happily in the waterfall all day long. Soon it was time to go home, and the elephant thought, I know a shortcut over a wooden bridge. But the elephant was too heavy for the bridge, and crash, it fell into the river below. Fortunately, the waterfall had made the big river so deep that the elephant was able to swim out.